Friday, November 17, a little bit before 10:30, up 750 today, 95% profitable. Took mostly short trades once again. I wasn't getting the best reads on the market today. I saw it in shorts early on. We were below VWAP. We're below the 20 SMA. Had some negative delta coming in the morning. But over on the 60-minute chart, we're just kind of in the middle of this range here. Wasn't really any super clear direction. We started getting some mixed delta right in the morning, the first few candles. Hardly any delta coming through on the NQ. I took a couple of shorts as long as we were staying below this pivot point, but I didn't feel super confident about them. It wasn't like yesterday where I was really feeling like I was seeing what I wanted to see in the market. My only long of the day was when we came down to S1 and we started having a little bit of an uptick in the delta. I thought we'd make it back up to the 20 SMA, which we did. Closed above the 20 SMA, headed back up to the pivot point, broke through the pivot point, made it up to VWAP. I shorted it up here for a VWAP bounce. Just with the move down earlier this morning, I was looking for a little bounce down off of VWAP. Ended up bouncing down a lot further than I thought. I was a little hesitant to do it in the face of this delta, but I'm not just entering trades based on delta. I'm not just entering trades based on VWAP. I'm not just entering trades based on a moving average. I'm factoring in a lot of different things every single trade. I'm factoring in prior moves. I'm factoring in all kinds of different things. I like to have as many things line up as possible without getting neurotic and overanalyzing things. So there's a fine line there, a fine line that we all must dance. So still not seeing anything super exciting. We got some big delta come in here. We're right at the 20, but we broke below the pivot point with a pretty nice big candle. I was definitely more interested in shorts. Over here we had a nice wick candle, rejection right off the pivot point. I took another short there. We had some more delta coming in. The move continued down. S1 rejected pretty hard right there. Looking at this candle after this candle closed, looking at the wick of that, I was tempted to get into a long, but just wasn't seeing it in longs at that moment. After this next candle came through, huge candle, tons of delta, breaks above the 20, breaks above yesterday's point of control. I was definitely starting to see the potential of longs, but I did not take any more longs for the rest of the day. I did take another bounce trade when it came up to VWAP, light blue line here. Got my bounce trade short. I took another short trade. We were still staying below VWAP. That was my last trade of the day. And here we are, 10:31. Been in this range between the 20 SMA and VWAP. So that's the market review for today. If you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe. Also, Apex is having a 90% off sale until November 28th, plus 80% off every recurring month, and half price resets. Definitely their best sale when they do it, when they do those 90% off sales. So if you're looking for some extra accounts, good time to load up. I think I'm going to grab a couple more. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.